If you want to know how to answer a question with a video on TikTok, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you are on TikTok, maybe in the comments, sometimes you get asked a question and you want to answer with a video and you want that question to be on your screen, right? Now, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. It's dead easy. You'll see. Let's go. So here's what you need to do. You need to go on your TikTok account, obviously. You go and you select the comment that you want to reply to. Let's just say I want to reply to this comment. So I tap on the comment that I want to reply to. And then as you can see, there's this little video here. I tap on here. There you go. Hello. Then I record the video. And there you go. I think you can hear the sound again. There I have my video that's recorded. Now, once it's recorded, this acts like a sticker, basically. You can tap on it and you can set the duration so that it disappears after a certain while, or you can move it around the screen, okay? And once that's all done, you click next and you are all done. You post it just like a normal TikTok video. As you can see here, you have reply to and the person's name, and I leave that because that way the person is notified that you have replied to their video. And there you go. It's as easy as that. So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope it helped you. If you are wondering about something else on TikTok, like lowering the volume on your videos, for instance, or adding stickers or making things pop up, make sure you check my tutorials playlist. I have quite a few videos on how to do various things on TikTok. If there's anything you want to know that, you're wondering how to do this or that on TikTok and you can't find the answer on my channel, then drop a comment below. Let me know. I'll find out and I'll make a video for you. I hope this really helps. I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum. I make money online, and in this channel, I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make money online. Did you know, by the way, that you can make money with TikTok? If you're interested, make sure you watch my video on the topic, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell too, so you never miss a video every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and hold on, don't forget to watch that video about making money on TikTok. It's just there.